Welcome back. Today we're talking about something every luxury car owner should care about: reliability. We're counting down the 6 most reliable luxury car brands you can buy right now. Sure, you might afford repairs, but who wants their 6-figure car spending more time at the shop than on the road? True luxury is about peace of mind, knowing your car will work every day without drama. When you pay for premium, you expect premium reliability. So let's see which brands deliver not just comfort and tech, but the confidence your car won't let you down. Let's get started. First up, the gold standard, the benchmark against which all others are measured. Lexus, a name synonymous with luxury, and perhaps even more importantly, unwavering reliability. For decades, Lexus has been synonymous with bulletproof reliability. It's a reputation earned through meticulous engineering and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Why? Because Lexus is Toyota's luxury arm, inheriting Toyota's legendary quality and proven engineering. They benefit from decades of Toyota's expertise. They don't rush new tech, they perfect it, then wrap it in luxury, ensuring every feature is refined and dependable. Take the Lexus ES. It's a refined Toyota Avalon underneath, with all the kinks worked out before it ever wears a Lexus badge. It's a testament to their rigorous testing and quality assurance. The result? Whisper-quiet rides, plush interiors, and engines that routinely hit 300,000 miles. Longevity is a key component of the Lexus ownership experience. The RX SUV is another icon, comfortable, practical, and almost never stranded. A vehicle you can truly depend on, day in and day out. Lexus hybrids are just as robust, with batteries and motors lasting hundreds of thousands of miles. Their hybrid technology is not only efficient, but also incredibly durable. Critics say Lexus plays it safe, but that's the point. They prioritize flawless operation over flashy, untested tech. Reliability is their guiding principle. Owners love it. Lexus vehicles hold their value and rarely need more than routine maintenance, saving you money and hassle in the long run. Even their hybrid systems are industry benchmarks for durability, setting the standard for hybrid reliability. Sure, the infotainment might lag behind, but you get peace of mind every time you turn the key, knowing your car will start and perform flawlessly. Lexus isn't just a luxury car. It's a promise your investment will last, a commitment to long-term value and dependability. That's why it tops every reliability list, year after year, consistently recognized for its exceptional reliability. If you want a luxury car that just works, Lexus is the answer. The clear choice for those who prioritize reliability above all else. It's the ultimate blend of comfort, quality, and dependability. A harmonious balance of everything you could want in a luxury vehicle. No drama, just excellence. A driving experience that is both luxurious and completely hassle-free. That's Lexus, the undisputed king of reliability in the luxury car world. Next, Acura, the luxury brand built on Honda's rock-solid engineering. Acura takes Honda's legendary engines and adds power, tech, and style. Their philosophy? Precision-crafted performance, tight tolerances, high-quality materials, and proven reliability. Engines like the V6 and the MDX and TLX are famous for lasting forever. Acura's SH-Odd system adds performance without sacrificing durability. Year after year, Acura ranks near the top for reliability, with fewer major issues than most rivals. The RDX, for example, offers turbo power and practicality, but with far fewer headaches than its German competitors. Even the NSX supercar is designed for daily use, something rare in the exotic world. Acura may not be the flashiest, but it's the smart choice for those who want excitement and dependability. It's luxury you can trust every day. That's the Acura difference. Meet Genesis, the new kid shaking up the luxury world. Genesis, spun off from Hyundai, wins buyers with bold design, value, and a class-leading warranty. 5 years 60, 000 miles basic, 10 years 100, 000 miles powertrain. That's confidence you can count on. Genesis consistently tops initial quality and dependability studies, outscoring many established brands. Their cars, like the G70 and GV80, use proven engines and platforms, refined for luxury. Quality control is intense and the ownership experience is top-notch. Valet service, complimentary maintenance, and more. While the brand is young, early data shows Genesis is built to last. Materials and build quality rival the best, and the warranty backs it up. Genesis proves you don't need a decades-old badge for reliability. If you want fresh style and peace of mind, Genesis is a smart, modern choice. They're not just competing, they're leading. Watch this space. Watch this. When you think of German sports cars, the words reliable and dependable might not be the first to come to mind. Think German sports cars can't be reliable? Think again. Porsche breaks the mold, defying expectations with its unique approach to engineering and manufacturing. Porsche's secret is over-engineering, a philosophy that permeates every aspect of their vehicles. They use parts built for the racetrack, components designed to withstand extreme stress and demanding conditions, so daily driving is a breeze. The 911 is legendary, a true icon in the automotive world. It's not just legendary for performance, but for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles, a testament to its robust construction and meticulous engineering. Porsche refines its engines and platforms for decades, constantly tweaking and improving, making them both thrilling and durable, a rare combination in the world of high-performance vehicles. The Cayenne SUV brought Porsche reliability to the luxury SUV world, proving that performance and practicality can coexist. Especially with simpler V6 engines, the Cayenne offers a blend of performance and dependability that's hard to beat. Year after year, Porsche trades the top spot with Lexus in dependability studies, consistently ranking among the most reliable automotive brands. Yes, maintenance is pricey, reflecting the high-quality components and specialized expertise required, but breakdowns are rare. It's not about cheap repairs, it's about a car that rarely needs them, offering peace of mind and a worry-free ownership experience. Porsche proves you can have excitement and reliability in one package, delivering a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing dependability. For those who want a true driver's car, a machine that connects you to the road and ignites your passion for driving, without constant headaches, without the nagging worry of unexpected repairs, Porsche delivers. It's a brand built for the road, designed for long journeys and unforgettable experiences, not the repair shop. Performance and dependability, no compromise. You get the best of both worlds. That's the Porsche promise. A commitment to quality, performance, and lasting value. If you want thrills and trust, a car that excites your senses and inspires confidence, look no further. Porsche is the exception to every rule, proving that you don't have to sacrifice reliability for the sake of performance. Audi, a brand synonymous with luxury and innovation, once faced a significant challenge: reliability. But the last decade has been a remarkable turnaround story, a testament to their commitment to quality. As a crucial part of the Volkswagen Group, Audi systematically fixed old issues, addressing the root causes of past problems. This included improving electronics, a key area of concern for many owners. They also focused on enhancing the quality of materials, ensuring a more durable and luxurious feel. And they revolutionized their manufacturing processes, implementing stricter quality control measures. Their Vorsprung durch Technik, their commitment to progress through technology, now also means progress in reliability, a core tenet of their brand promise. Shared platforms like MLB and MQB, utilized across the Volkswagen Group, mean millions of cars worth of real-world testing, providing invaluable data. This extensive testing leads to continuous refinement, improving the overall quality and longevity of their vehicles. Models like the A4, A6, and Q5, cornerstones of the Audi lineup, now offer strong reliability, making them compelling choices in their respective segments. They also boast sophisticated tech, seamlessly integrated into the driving experience, and they feature beautiful interiors, crafted with attention to detail and premium materials. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, respected authorities in automotive ratings, show Audi's scores steadily rising, reflecting their dedication to improvement. As a result, many models are now recommended, a testament to their enhanced reliability. The Q5, with its proven and refined 2.0L turbo engine, a workhorse in the Audi lineup, is a standout for dependability, offering a blend of performance and peace of mind. Simpler models, with fewer complex features, tend to be inherently more reliable, so stick to core engines and well-established configurations for the best long-term results. Audi's remarkable comeback proves that a brand can listen to its customers, address their concerns, and improve its products, and ultimately, earn back the trust of discerning car buyers. Today's Audis are undeniably stylish, technologically advanced, and finally, increasingly dependable, offering a well-rounded package. Choose wisely, considering your needs and priorities, and you'll get a luxury car that's as solid and reliable as it is sophisticated and refined. Audi's redemption is indeed real, a testament to their dedication and hard work. Reliability is now an integral part of the Audi ownership experience, enhancing the overall value proposition. That's true progress through technology, a shining example of Vorsprung durch Technik in action. Mercedes-Benz. The name says luxury, but it also means durability. After a rough patch in the late 90s and early 2000s, Mercedes refocused on quality. The most reliable models? The C-Class, E-Class, and GLC, especially with 4- or 6-cylinder engines. The E-Class is legendary for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles. Just ask any German taxi driver. The GLC SUV brings that same solidity to a popular segment. Mercedes diesels, where available, are famous for longevity. While high-end AMGs are complex, the core models are built to last. Mercedes may not top every reliability chart, but their best models are engineered for the long haul. Choose wisely, and you get a car that feels indestructible. That's the Mercedes legacy luxury you can trust for years. The star still shines bright. So, those are the 6 most reliable luxury car brands today. From Lexus and Acura to Porsche, Audi, Mercedes and Genesis, you have options for peace of mind and premium driving. What's your experience with luxury car reliability? Share your stories in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Drive safe and stay reliable.